Hello, my viewer. Thank you for being here today. Today we'll speak about how to get out of debt faster, how you can accelerate your path to debt freedom. Debt can debt can feel like a heavy burden, but the good news is that you don't have to carry it forever. The journey is becoming debt free is within your reach. And here are powerful strategies you can use to accelerate your progress. Today, I'll share actionable tips to help you get out of debt faster so you can reclaim control of your finances and move towards a brighter and more secure future. First, you need to create a debt repayment plan. Start by listing all your debts, including amounts owed, interest rates, and minimum payments. Develop a repayment plan using methods like the snowball or the avalanche techniques to prioritize your debts effectively. Secondly, you can increase your payments. Wherever possible, pay more than the minimum required on your debts. Even small additional amounts can significantly reduce your debt over time by cutting down on interest and accelerating repayment. Thirdly, you need to cut unnecessary expenses. Review your budget and identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Redirect all those savings towards your debt repayment. Prioritize essential expenses and eliminate or reduce non-essentials. Fourthly, we need to find additional sources of income. Look for opportunities to boost your income, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or selling unused items. Extra income can be a powerful tool in accelerating your debt repayment. Fifthly, you can negotiate lower interest rates. You contact your creditors to negotiate lower interest rates or on better terms. Many creditors are willing to work with you, especially if you are proactive and demonstrate a commitment of paying off your debt. 6. Consolidate your debt. Consider consolidating your debts into a simple loan with a lower interest rate. Debt consolidation can simplify your payment and potentially reduce the overall interest you pay. 7. Automate payments. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Automating payments help you to stay on track and avoid late fees, which can hinder your progress. 8. You need to utilize windfalls and bonuses. Apply any unexpected windfall such as tax refunds, bonuses, or gifts directly to your debt. These lump sum payments can make a significant impact on reducing your debt balance. 9. Build an emergency fund. While focusing on debt repayment, establish a small emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Having a financial cushion prevents you from relying on credit cards during emergencies, allowing you to stay on track with your debt payments. Last but not least, you can seek professional help. If managing debt becomes overwhelming, consider consulting a financial advisor, a credit counselor. Professionals can provide personalized advice and strategies to help you navigate your debt and accelerate your path to financial freedom. In conclusion, getting off debt faster requires a combination of strategic planning, discipline, and proactive actions. By implementing these tips, you can accelerate your journey to financial freedom and create a more secure future for yourself. Remember, each step you take towards paying off your debt is a step towards reclaiming your financial independence. Stay focused, remain committed, and believe in your ability to overcome this challenge. Thank you for your time. Here is to accelerating your path to debt-free and prosperous future. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you may be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.